Our small-scale assembly services support clinical development with flexible, semi-automated processes designed for smaller batch sizes, with a strong commitment to high quality. As demand grows, we offer tailored services that adapt to evolving product and market needs. Our medium-scale assembly capabilities combine flexibility with increased automation. For commercial supply, our fully automated large-scale operations deliver high-quality auto-injector assembly. We provide the right assembly service for every stage of your product journey.